Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta high protein. We'll explore simple ways to boost the protein content of your favorite pasta dishes. First, selecting the right pasta is key. Opt for varieties made from legumes. Next, we'll look at integrating lean proteins directly into your sauces. Finally, discover how adding a few extra ingredients can significantly increase the nutritional value of your meal, making it more satisfying and beneficial for your health. When choosing your pasta, look for options made from legumes. Lentil pasta, for example, can provide around 25 grams of protein per 3.5-ounce serving, a significant boost compared to traditional wheat pasta. Chickpea pasta is another excellent choice, offering about 22 grams of protein. Even edamame pasta can deliver up to 24 grams of protein, making these alternatives fantastic for a high-protein meal. To further elevate your pasta's protein, focus on your sauce and add-ins. Incorporate lean meats such as cooked chicken breast, ground turkey, or shrimp. For a vegetarian boost, stir in a half cup of cottage cheese or a quarter cup of Greek yogurt into your sauce for an extra 12 to 15 grams of protein. Nutritional yeast also adds a cheesy flavor and about 8 grams of protein per quarter cup. Even your cooking method can contribute to a higher protein meal. Try cooking your pasta in bone broth instead of plain water. This can add an extra 10 to 12 grams of protein per serving. Once drained, stir in 1 or 2 egg yolks into the hot pasta for a creamy texture and an additional 6 to 12 grams of protein. Finally, always pair your pasta with a generous serving of protein-rich vegetables.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.